Hey guys, welcome back to the DeeTimeLove show, and I have a very interesting video for you guys. The return of the Seiko Samurai Blue Lagoon just in time for the summer. It's a lovely spring sunny day in the UK. It's Seiko Saturday, but you're probably watching this on a Sunday. But I want to share how this watch has fared over the last few years and whether you should consider it. Should you buy it or should you shortlist it? But let's talk about how the watch has fared and how I've enjoyed the watch. But let's have a little go on the bezel as we do here on the channel. And I have to say, one trump card of the Seiko Samurai is its bezel and the bezel action. Very solid. And a lot of you ask, how does it compare to the Seiko XKX? But it's a solid watch. Diameter is 44 millimeters. You've got a case thickness of 13.5. But let's have a little comparison to the Seiko XKX. And one of the biggest trump cards of the Seiko Samurai is the way it wears. So from lug to lug, you're looking at 48.5. Very similar to the Seiko XKX. However, although the Seiko Samurai, look at the dimensions of it. Look at look how big it looks compared to it. But it wears just as good. Now, a lot of Seikos, they tend to wear quite big and don't really wrap around your wrist very well. But look at the lugs. Look at how they sort of taper down. Those angular lugs makes it wear very well. But look at the case back. Let's get a closer look here. You can see the Karagawa wave, Prospex logo there as well. Seiko limited edition. Only 6,000 of these bad boys were made, but they were sold out with immediate effect, and I was very happy to be one of the first guys to get it on the retail price because it did triple in value within 24 months. But the real trump card is the bezel, the way it wears, the color of the actual dial. And let's have a look at it in natural light. Look at that beautiful dial, that sunburst blue lagoon color. This is what's unique and limited to this particular one, the Blue Lagoon. And this is what really started off the popularity of the Seiko Samurai range. And look at it in all its glory. I got to wax the car that day and I popped on the Seiko Samurai, and here it is on the wrist. It's a very cool watch indeed. The bracelet is good, not anything amazing in terms of quality, but the case and finishing in the overall package that you get, it's like it skipped a couple of generations. If you're considering, going up a notch in the Seiko range, the Seiko Samurai is a great opportunity for you to get into your first real good quality watch, I have to say. But they come in many different variants. There's many different sort of dials, colors and so on, and you're going to find a model that really does suit your style and the color scheme that you're looking for. It's just a very cool watch indeed, and it's become so popular, the Seiko Samurai. And I remember the original one in 2004 when the new launch of the Blue Lagoon and the new range came out. There were mixed reviews, but if you see it in real life, the watch is absolutely stunning. So for me, I wouldn't even shortlist the watch. I would just go out of there and buy the timepiece. It's a stunning piece, and it gets my highly recommendation of the DeeTimeLove channel. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.